Got a log equation, and we're asked to show that it could be turned into a quadratic. Right, let's apply the properties of logs. The first thing I can do is raise that power up. I want to undo the logs, but first I need a log on both sides. So log 4 minus x squared is going to equal log x plus 8. Now if you log in something and it equals another log, you can just set the two things equal to another. 4 minus x all squared must then equal x plus 8. If you prefer, you could raise both sides to the power 10, and these would cancel out. But it's better to just say, look, we're doing log of two things that are equal. It must be that the things themselves are equal. Okay, let's expand the bracket. I'm going to come down here now. So 16 minus 8x is a double bracket, remember, 4 minus x times 4 minus x plus x squared is x plus 8. And that means x squared minus 9x, because I minus the x from both sides, plus 8 is equal to 0. And that's the result that we wanted. Brilliant. Write down the roots of this equation. Okay, the same equation that we just derived. Well, we can factorize it. That's going to be the quickest thing to do. Use your calculator if you want, but it will factorize quite quickly. Minus 1 and minus 8. Therefore, the roots are 1 or 8. Finally, state which of the roots in B part 1, remember this equation that we derived from the log equation, is actually not a solution to the original log equation. So what you have to remember is when you play around with the log equation and undo logs, sometimes you can create spurious solutions. So right at the start here, you can actually say that we have to have x has to be greater than minus 8, because otherwise this bit would be negative. Okay, but I also have to have x is less than 4 for both of these to be true. Sorry, for the logs to exist for both of them. And actually, that's a problem in the case of 8. So state which of the roots is x equals 8 is not a solution. Since log of 4 minus 8, which is log of minus 4, um, I said, I mean, you can say it doesn't exist. I mean, it doesn't exist over the real number system. So I just said, yeah, it's not defined for real numbers, over real numbers. As long as you're pointing out 8 and giving an explanation to say there's a problem with log to the minus 4, then you'll be okay.